This is a brand new 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. This SUV has a continuously variable transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, side curtain airbags, full power accessories, a rear spoiler, front fog lights, an anti-lock braking system, speed-sensitive wipers, and an automatic climate control system. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Thank you for considering Chico Nissan Hyundai for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. If you have any questions, visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 575 Manzanita Avenue in Chico, California. Take Highway 99 to the Mangrove Cohasset exit. Hope to see you soon.